eyure company nambe yemo eyo korose chirangi meyense yiga ya Kenya. Crown Paints nigo emanyira sokoro isya ebintu biria bikomanya seka ngo kwanira chirangi ejo boyiko chire chichi brand ao ejo chire chingi ya kirage chirangi chiga nigo chire chibirengo ao nabono mbabwate chirangi cyo gwakwa imeye nyumba iziko ye nyumba chire chikomentera nigwa amavuta yani oil na wigo chiriya chia mache inyuranga chirangi chiga nigo chire korwase chire chiri guririke iriya gatigati wekariguri iriya bantabati wigo imeya Uhuru Superstores nero eduka yuka iyo bwate emixer iyo bwochoganya chirangi wikabunuragani bwochoganire erangi yiga aseduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores na bokwege namuna ekale aho watagete nigo kwa yenyora bwikirano tutarire rero eriwe nyorere abamanyi aboigo elekenga enyumba yao use hasomanyete use chire chibiasara njibwa tokorelekana okuya na ayonsi nigo araikirane ekero utumikite chirangi cha Crown Paints eduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores yego tokase enyumba ya Uhuru Complex imeyumucho yigo musongo eywerangene duka ya Safaricom mwigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers eyure angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgwetera seti namba chabo 0111161500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Nchumuligerere chia bono marogo bali tukaliga lia aramisi gosirie chuma chitariki 15 achumutienyi o gatano na gatatu mwaka bachirwe na 2025 ekionga chinsanye nigotobwa turobeti gosani go haroberi go kumanye amango mwanchumuligerere anamono etaro ya abarai bagusi gosegati abarai bagusi na boiga gati abananchi bagusi go chiesa magacho yoburai wosoyo bomenyo bomurai bwense omusiki William Ruto State House Nairobi asebanyara kabago kwanira amange yo murai bwense nyara kabago kwana mange na egati ayo mange umwanchumuligere keneko ngachinsenya senjere wekirano cheni ngongoro kwaro ni ototo nyangiri kurwense memenyerio ni gotoku waternaire Wilson Makoli.
We are here with a multi-agency team comprising officers from the NACADA and officers from the National Police Service.
Umusako omutindi wa muliogo yogutindia kwirira kwa byara kwenya sole ase chinsemo chabuchura imeyi ward ya Kitutu Central ebunge ya Kitutu cha South County ya Kisii.
Kimbwate certificate ye nyenjoki ndakonyu abarai baito be serikali yeito abanchwa bankonya sugwanja kwa
mwako yomo yumete no bolema kuburia ninki kugera atanya konyora chibezo chobolema kurwa serikali.
We are also facing the risk of sectarianism and subnational interests that are sometimes ethnic oriented.
Musangirikano omonene gukwanira igure chi county nigo ikomwele litukulia lero ase chinsemo chi county ya Omapei oyo nyara ko bagugosie kwa senjera bene no mokonyo omurai bwense Professor Abraham Kithure Kindiki. Mwanchumo ligerali ekionga chinsa inye nigo togochaka kurwa ase engana iyo kurwania amariogo yogotindi asokuma yogobuna nigo abajanyimba bakubatana muna babesebe kiombege lyo kurwania mangana yogotume kibo amariogo yogotindi kiana kada bakora abanyabyo mutindi asinza muchacho kefira gache chokfira bochura ebu eward ya Kitutu Central ebunge ya Nyaribali ebunge ya Kitutu cha South asabanya kaba kubwata ababwatani abange wasabawoni abange babijugwa bibitanje iri amona bwiga mariogo yogotindia buna enya sole munagotume mulikito diponi asanya.
ogokumia asomubaro bweribo alinyasole gwetania ebitundu 52 nigo abanyanyimbo beserikali nene kurwase county ya Kisii bakurawa nomo commander Okisi Ronald Kirui.
We are here with a multi-agency team comprising officers from the NACADA and officers from the National Police Service at this area known as Tukavila in Nyamataro, Kisii County. We have carried out a serious operation on drugs and substance abuse at this particular home, a home we were some few weeks ago over a similar crime. At this home, we have arrested 5 suspects that we found at the scene, and upon carrying out search at this particular home, we were in a position to recover 79 grams of suspected cannabis sativa, which is a drug, a motorbike, which we believe was being used to ferry these commodities.
Maiga yomukia buko babeka byara abakagerwa batano aho bagokora obonchuli oboiga nigo omukagerwa monene ale asechimbero.
Key main suspect that escaped our in our operation is a suspect that is before court. This similar suspect we arrested some few weeks ago, took him to court by trafficking narcotics. He's before court with about 292 kilograms of the same similar substance.
Gukona sekerekyo abo bisakurwa sekyombe kia NACADA nigo berene lyambu ya mono oguchia asabana inchi bali bagenderete gwaka oroboti na koletu bwasio kubwe bikolebi.
My name is Nicholas Kozwe, the head of enforcement from NACADA. I want to really and sincerely thank the public for sharing information. We as NACADA act promptly on complaints. Kindly still forward the same to our office for action. We all know the effects of bangi in the community. Hivi vijana munaona wakikimbia na pikipiki wanafanya accidents. Most of them are usually under the influence of bangi. Hii unaona hii crimes yote inaonekana hapa. Vijana burglaries, robberies.
Hokuboria gochesa bamenyi be county ya Kisii.
What we want to appeal to our members of the Kisii community is for us to be very alert, for us to carry out serious surveillance from these known drug barons across Kisii County. In Kisii County, we have carried out serious operation on illicit tools.
Komenta na yue irenene kurwasa abanyanyimbo.
And as a National Police Service, we are committed to joining the community in fighting these vices. And even the media, we want to ask you to assist us.
Omukageru yu monene omanyekaine nabange. Nigabori gwesokia na goikirana goikasegeta seniki abanyanyimbo.
Suspect, we are asking him to surrender himself to police so that we can prosecute him accordingly.
We shall move around the country and we are going to conduct a very thorough and sting operations going forward.
Overall, across the county, we are carrying out similar operations across our county to rid the community from dangerous drugs and illicit tools.
Kuripoteri getaseni kia obwanchete kia getembe kuroi gajo kivila bochura iritira na igonkoro kwa Dipon Asanya
Mwancho muligereri egati jaba bwatani kurwasa rwangorwa gusi gose abagusi amana barai nibanyaka bagutara ase amagacha yo bomenyo bumurai bwenze State House Nairobi na nigo banyarka bakorokia omogoko monene ese banyarka bakorokia omochengo monene amatera na boigo kwariganirwa amono murai bwenze omosike William Samuel Ruto.
Kichema Haya basi. Jaza.
na mwanchumuligarari abarai kurwa sorwango rwa gusiba kurabamo no muchief wepu oyuba gole omujumbe webunge ya South Mugirango Mosike Silvana Tosoro nigo banyarari baga na gukwana na kubeka birengerari byabo namagani abo bose ubumurai bwense amo Mosike William Samoei Ruto me yamagacho yobo menyo bumurai oyubwense State House Nairobi muna chikane chikobwatia.
Na katika Gusii tumeamua ya kwamba tutatembea na wewe kidete. Siasa ya ukabila hatutaki. Nyinyi mnataka siasa ya ukabila? Siasa ya ukabila tufanye nini? Hatutaki. Siasa ya ukabila hatutaki. Siasa ya chuki hatutaki. Ama nyinyi mnataka siasa ya ukabila? Unajua siasa ya ukabila ni ya kuambiwa ni ya siasa ya kuambiwa kaeni kwa kona moja jiite kabila fulani. Alafu na nyinyi mkae kona moja mujiite kabila fulani. Alafu muende kunegotiate ati wewe upewe waziri. Sisi negotiation ambayo tutafanya leo hapa ni negotiation ya maendeleo. Mumekubali namna hiyo? Akina nani wana support Mheshimiwa William Samoei Ruto? So nikisema harambee mnasema tuta. Harambee. Harambee. Nionyeshe kwa vidole State House.
You have vindicated us because kila wakati tukiongea na wananchi wetu tunawaambia serikali ndio iko na maziwa, ndio iko na maendeleo, ndio iko na ile nyama ambao watu wanakula. Kwa hivyo tulikuwa tunaambia watu wetu lazima tukae kwa serikali mpaka 2032 ili tuendelee kupata maendeleo. Kwa hivyo siku ya leo tunataka kutangaza ya kwamba rais, tunakupenda, tutatembea na wewe, tutafanya kazi na wewe vile umeona vichwa na macho yakiangalia kama yale yangu, yale macho kubwa. We are so happy. Yale yote ambao tuliambia rais ameyaongea hapa. Muende muambie watu all elected leaders ambao wanatembea na rais, yale maneno ambayo walimwambia yote ametupea leo. Asante, Mungu awabariki.
Tunataka kukuambia we have you. We will hold you today, tomorrow until 2032. We will walk with you until death do us part. Wasenati.
Tunasema harambee. Harambee. Mimi kama chairperson pale bunge, hii maneno yote rais ametuambia nitafuatilia, nihakikisha ya kwamba iko kwa budget ili ikuje, si ndio?
Rais yangu ni kutoa shukurani kwanza kwa hiyo barabara ya lami ya Bondeni kwenda Magombo ambayo tumekuwa na marais wanne, imechukua rais wa 5 kuweka hiyo barabara lami. Ngakero mo president Yonechi Nkobi. Nataka kukushukuru tena kwa kutoa kile kigingi kilikuwa kuanzisha university ya Nyamira. University tunayo hatuna? Tunayo hatuna? Ndio sababu tunasema William Ruto. William Ruto. Ile nataka kukushukuru tena kwa kutoa kile kigingi kilikuwa kuanzisha university ya Nyamira. University tunayo hatuna? Tunayo hatuna? Ndio sababu tunasema William Ruto. William Ruto. Ile
Mheshimiwa Rais, kuna watu walikuwa wanatuuliza mbona tunakufuata. Lakini leo hawa wananchi viongozi walioko hapa wamejua sababu yetu kukufuata ni gani. Hii university ya Nyamira, His Excellency, Watu wengi miaka mingi wamesema itajengwa, lakini haijajengwa. Chini wa mwongozo wako Mheshimiwa Rais, hiyo university ya Nyamira sasa itaonekana.
Mwanjumu rigali murai bwenze musikuri amrutoga gukwana meya magacho a State House ritukolia lero chinga Kenya renge ko gukwana amo negatia bagusi amo nabarai kuruase orogongura gusi nganya ko bakwane kyabuna nigo aikeire egetambo gusamukire getambo kirogi kwane kibna egeti kendege yasuneka korose gwakire nga nonye ekyombege gitene tamanga ne bitibye chindege Kenya to bagatanga geti ekyo angebugati bagalisaine kodigane kiremuna nigo anyako bagakugamba naboigo ne wizara eli yobosombi kwa kunegati kingoro sikuokere kolengana bona ekonyalikana.
Mnajua watu wa Kenya Airports Authority walisema ile airport mlikuwa mmesuggest hapo Sironga ni ngumu kwa sababu ya mambo ya utafiti. So what we have said is we reinstate Suneka, ile Suneka. Hata kama iko na matatizo kidogo, tufanye hiyo Suneka the best we can do, si ndio? Ili tuweze kujenga Suneka to the best that we can do, si ndio? Alafu kama kutahitajika mambo mengine tutajua pale baadaye. Kwa hivyo I have given instructions to the ministry. Initially walikuwa wamesuggest we decommission Suneka, but I have told them kwa sababu tumekosa mahali ingine ya kuweka hii airport, wacha tufanye whatever is possible for us to make sure that we reinstate Suneka as a facility for the Kisii County. Na mutaona hiyo kazi ya pale Suneka itaanza in the next few months, kwa sababu sasa tumesema wacha tuache kutafuta mahali haiwezekani, wacha tufanye na mahali iko kwa sasa.
Mwanjumu rigali boigo murai bwense musikuri amruto niganya kwa kwene kebna gwikira bona iga nigo mirobuli aroro yo kwene kebna chichiro gwetani 20 chiekerero kwa gachurire orogongoro gusi ase county ya Kisii na boigo county elia Nyamira as chinsemo ao
pale pia Kisii. Mimi nataka niwaambie tuko na pesa ya kuwajengea soko ine kubwa, ile inaitwa Modern Market. Kisii town yenyewe tuko na pesa ya kuwajengea soko hapo milioni 500. Tuko na soko ya Nyambera, inaitwa Nyambera hiyo. Tuko na soko kubwa ya Ugembo na tuko na soko kubwa ya Suneka. Hizo toko ine kubwa we are going to build for you, na mimi mwenyewe nitakuja kuweka jiwe la mzingi sikianza. Tuko na soko ingine 16. How many? 16. Budget ambayo tumewapangia ya watu wa Kisii kwa mambo ya masoko yote inakuja soko 20. Hakujawahi kujengwa soko 20 Kisii, hata mupende msipende. That is the truth. Kuna serikali nyingine imejenga soko 20 Kisii? Acha tuambiane ukweli. So na tumewapatia pesa shilingi bilioni 3, and we are going to make sure that all these markets are complete by end of next year. They should all be complete.
Mwanjumu rigali ya matemo gasereta mochengo uyo meta no bolema nigo yasokire na kwemurungania muna gwikira bono iga taranyora gostirwa kurasa serikali na mono chibasiricho bolema chikuru na serikali ngano nyaka bwate certificate ya koro kinga no na bwata bolema kose koro kigose gwisane kinga nigamenyete no bolema buna gutumenye mulikito ga April Nyakunde
amate yo mugaka sereta mujengo eyo omunyete no bolema nigo yesokire na korokia ogotagokiwa kwabo kubwatekana no gutanyora kibesa cyoborema
nakonyora bakonyi bonde wetira abantu babwato barema mbagenderete kwegwa na nchindi ndigire tibakwewa ntanya kwegwa tima tinga ninkie kebe wetera nancho yo mobo asaba Kenya bari birama
nigo bakwanira obulema bagenderete gwetera nonyane nyumba y'oburaro iyo yabere engotumono naboigo konyora endagera yabere egasi enkongu asibare
nyumba yangoteire no banyori bukoragiria abana negasi no mungino kogende ekonda onyora oreta twasagasagi no kwebo ichianga akore gasi
wakona arekeramo arigo chumugondo chengokora chikonda twaragera chengokora chikonda twagora kirengento otwataka mumubeke system y'abantu bande era abakonyora chibesa choborema koruna bagachagete koritanya kuri besa bana tomunyere tobokongo banene
asebaganirie baria baranyare kubakonya anene mono baria baranyare kuborokia enchera barabwatie na konyora chibesa choborema wesokia irio konyora obokonyi ubwabo
kwegwa kimbwate certificate ye nyenchoki ndakonyu abarai baito be serikali yeito abanchwa bankonya sugwanja kwabo kondireria samabera wetera na inche no mokenya no bwato bwanje kwino monkonye wetera na chandikire myaka menge mutari ko unyora bokonyi bonde bwensi murayonde bwensi piorando ramabera ga kyankonye asugwanje kwaye na nyenyore teri besanke abego nsuguma
Reporteria igetaseni bwanjete kenda gikomi kegetembe kurwase wodi ya Gesusu eyo gotoka asebunge yenyari bari masaba ekaunti ya Kisii nchengurukwo Nyakundi Gabriela
Omancho muligererio kubolia nigo kwarurwe abananchi konyara kababa kubalingoli abarai babo boikiranu jingaki bago chikwenda ase ogwaka chikuracho wachori bonna bogocha bumaka bwechiri 2025 nebere ayaniga kwanu ase omuyega oyomo ime ye bunge ya machoge chache ekaunti ya Kisii buna gotumanya mulikito Gilbert Copy
se ensemo ya bumachoge bwa chache ime kaunti ya Kisii ase abamenyi n'abantu borogongoro iga rwensemo ya misesi na paraine benyorana samatanga ayamo ase banyakoba abananchi banyakoba gwesokia na kwero kw'umurungani kwabo iguru n'amagendero ye ward kurwa sorogongoro iga bakoragwa n'abaraya mu babikira na sorogongoro
nataka kuiba chibesa cya Gakiro body cyalenge 2 million ni chibesa cyanya miyobo 2 million na machalinge biyonge na machalinge tundo mushimiwa
wa the development committee onye project ya jireke nyoroke ino tabatali mobe consultant ya kare project yegocha mwa manage besa irenga ingi yegocha okorwa age kwa twanyolire munabono narenga asegete nganya abantu bagonjukana iga ngobori abangi bagonjukana ngana amaje bataite korosi ngobori abantu beke nyoreke mbara we na amaje korosi bwale
nigo batebire buna okorekana kwa magenderero kurwase serikali ye county ya Kisii gwetera no mu MCA orora senseme yo ye ward nigo bataranyana ko bakorora matunda iguru yo bokoreri bwaye
abantu baminto onye county ya rule chibesa chikorosi kenyoroke ina amaje weka mobe involved yeka kore county ko mayanga chibesa njabe taroketed bake ari nyambo sabuke amini nyamboga amaje korosi bwale lakini onye muri kolenda chibesa jeno jigosagano moja kora umonde chibesa chine cheno tari cha muntu ine tax ilimo kwakana
kanga 200,000 imosaineli inkamote binje no mwana bu mutaka umwana bu muboraka asa onkonyire tindegeti maaki tigamba tebe gintu kilikia mberete injenya sa onkonyete agaja takambe kirega ali umuliro akataka kuongitira nyumba na abana bane kakira mumanye tibo
Geoffrey Nsarigo no yomo bwa baria bamerire kiroge kyo amate na barire yo chikunyana ko baga bagokonya maiga yokorwa biwanya ko bokoreranwa no riororo
aringo kora ali getembere ne TV gatatiga nkoro mu rubiri kurwetwani na turabantu mambi eligera ntoba oboro no bia bakyo oboro no bia njera bonga ntikuira na ntebenga ababonsi balengaba inga kieli no balengina ngenereri mbalengo bono papa imbuya mona siga simu akolete goto omuske Jeremiah ongeli yo tuchandire ekora ninu mwalengo imbuya mona siga simu akolete na gekora njena chiri kupimanga inga kieli na lengo kukangonkana ngamangana talibia na tebire tingwancha tiganyiche tobori machoge basi gona akore bantu baminto lakini akorire bobe
nigo batebire buna obukurumbi wa Nyakobo kororekana rombo rwituna Nyakobo koremererigwa egekaba batebire buna abananchi bense emeyombare no obwene bwokonyora obukoreri boroboronge asa magenderero
lakini onye muri korenda kibeza jeno jigosagano moja kora umonde kibeza kine jeno kali ya muntu ine taxi limo kwakana governor akabwatoka amabagai 15 kila si ward amangana vocational aigasa amangana driving school tigambo linga ngorega omwana oye airirwe no mweshimiwa Jeremiah Ongeri obo driver ikoranga mbaro mwana naro kuri binyoro irirwe ngaye mabaga ya kogenda
kibese kero kiabeki bigoto tagete kibese ekyo kikore emirimo egyo otenje mwakunguna lakini ngo batebinde botambe ngangeri tukonko bomorai tinko bomorai bwa bamwaku nande ngo batebinde mise ko bomorai gonko bomorai bwa bantu bo
igabande nigo batebire muna kinga kinchike abananchi bagotebwe kemaene igoro yobokoreru nabo igo ekiganja kya Nyakobo bageko barone kibesire Nyakobo chiko bwato kwa kurwase e county ya Kisii gokyase ekiganja kye ward
ndekera abana bakonyora amabaga ko somi gubusa chi vocational training chikosomi abana busa ase kiti ye county ngayiga amachoga basigochi ina mangana tukubuli amtu abintu
corruption te kurwani ku Nairobi yoka toro hatoje kole wekatoje ruwani baka korumka tomanyenga gento getengo korukere igiye kibasa kinga naiga negente kibasa chunchi atume kaboyo njetinda dikote ababuno mugambi Bismarck ate yawanga te rorekana no mugambi togote byo mo MCA musubati oriorwa ayoga ndo motebi ngeto tageta accountability
nero siasa ibiro emyaka yenda tukunyako bagigosuka gwika umwaka gw'ekiribu 2025 na ibere ekero bochori bwa tukunyako bokoba n'abantu mbagendete kwenda ucyaso kurana ebiro gebyo ngori botiri Getembe TV kurwa sensemu ya Machoge bwa chache nsemu ya Misesi Paraine Maritana Nche Gilbert Kobi
Omo gavana gwe county ya Homabay Musike Gladys Wanga nigo abodirie abarai bonsi anamono obotene bwe county nabo iga serikali ene kane kubunango kirania bare chira chiri bakujaga bakulira abananchi kolenganera nigo yarekanire kuba aororo kulia chira kubwe yamanya wekaya bakonguchinga kichokugania wekirani wagwe chire ekyo Musike Wanga nigale kwa naiga chinga kichikokora egeikaro kia aba governor gose kia devolution conference ime county ya Homabay.
Let me take this opportunity to welcome you, Your Excellency Deputy President, to Homabay and DevCon 2025. It is befitting that you are the chief guest for the closing session, given your role as the chair of IBEC. You have reformed IBEC to an effective engagement forum for both national and county governments. From where we were somewhere, where we were just a talk shop, moving around, you have reformed IBEC to an effective engagement platform where things get done. We urge you, Your Excellency, to continue strengthening IBEC until we fully operationalize the concept of funds following functions. DevCon was not just about plenaries and panels. It was about people, connections, and shared experiences. Before the conference began, Your Excellency, we hosted a vibrant pre-devolution conference experience that turned Homabay into a playground of culture, innovation, and adventure. Delegates witnessed the bold creativity of our youth at the Innovate 254 hackathon, felt the thrill of skating and bicycle racing through our streets, and embraced the rhythm of the bay with spirited boat racing and island hopping from Rusinga to Takawiri on the water bus. We brought back the spirit of community with traditional games like Ajua, the energy of tug of war, and the endurance of the Rowan Marathon. Your Excellency, we took Governor Kahiga to the Ruma National Park, and you remember when you were in your office, he was asking whether he was really going to sleep in a tent. He truly slept in a tent, and he realized he could sleep actually and wake up in the tent and still be here for the conference. I leave you with a thought that promises are like babies, easy to make, but hard to deliver. Let us ensure that the promises of DevCon 2025 are not confined to the communiques, but are translated into tangible change for our people. Real human interest stories like the ones our Fundimangula graduates share, stories of transformation and livelihood change. Devolution must be about transforming lives.
Na boigo mwasiri bwechibesa musike John Mbadi Ngongo nigo na kiribuna nigo kubwatakana kotakeire gosukanire gati ya county na boigo serikali ne county eliyo kwane kebona magandira ngo ikirale abananchi bonse.
The promise of devolution can only be fully realized if both the national and county governments work in close partnership, grounded in mutual accountability and prudent financial management. The example that we see in this county is a clear example of both national and county governments partnering together to deliver services to the people. Your Excellency, when you move around in this county, and more particularly in Homa Bay town, you will see massive improvement in this town. This is something that was not there 3 years ago. Your Excellency, it is as a result of partnership and cooperation between the two levels of government. And I believe that our county government, led by Governor Gladys Wanga, will still continue to partner with us at the national government level to be able to give services to our people. And that should be replicated across the country. Something also worth noting, Your Excellency, is that again, for the first time in a long period of time, we were able to transfer all the resources in terms of shareable revenue to the 47 counties before the end of financial year, including the arrears.
Na go sieka omo yego yugo sege kalikia senjera bene nigo mokonyu muraibwense Professor Abraham Kithure Kindiki anyakabaka kwaneke ahuna nigo chinguru chia bekirwe ase amagoko ye county ko se chipunge je county eliyo echikwaneke ahuna nigo abamusie barajugutora chinguru chia bene chokora emirimo yabo ikirano batari ko sona nuno ndebwense.
I say this without any fear of contradiction that of all the innovations of the Constitution of Kenya 2010, the most profound innovation and the crown jewel of our current constitution is devolution. And this is a good opportunity, therefore, to pay tribute to a great son of this county, the late Dr. Crispin Odhiambo Bai, who laid his life in the fight for a devolved Kenya and a more equitable Kenya. And I have had the moment to witness the remembrance that has been placed by the county government of Homa Bay and the Council of Governors at the Bay in honor of a great son of Homa Bay, Dr. Crispin Odhiambo Bai. May his soul rest in eternal peace. I am also conscious of the milestones we have achieved in the last so many years under this devolved system. The structures and the relationships among institutions are work in progress, and there are a lot of positive stories around devolution. The latest achievement has been the signing into law of a bill granting financial autonomy to our county assemblies so that they can provide effective as opposed to vindictive oversights over the executive at the county level. We hope that the county assemblies will use those resources to perfect their constitutional role of oversight.
Mancho mo ligerali ni bango gotiga na roboti ruaye mulikito Sam Yenda ase anyate kwa kuligerelia anana mono igoro yoko musana kwa nyaka bokane kwa ase ekiama goseme ekiama gya ODM kubwatakana amohono muraibu ekiama ekyo muske Raila Amolo Odinga kwa bungi getambukero kubwaterana amohono muraibu ekiama kya UDA ibo igoro muraibu ense ya Kenya muske William Samoei Ruto ase okorosia na kora serikali makete na prod pesri mulikito Sam Yenda niganya kwa kuligerelia anana mono chingwa na chiga tia bara bali sikia magia ODM no nyembali anza chinde basokere ko sikia magia UDA igekora no muraibu ense muske William Ruto na boigo chingwa na chia abarai bonsi asobwamo igoro ya siasa chio mwaka bwechirubere na 2025 nebere njeni ngongoro kwa runi toto nyangiri kuranse mimenyerero ndigo twatira nere Wilson Makoli na boigo kuranse ma transmission ndigo twarege nere afira kariri twara obotuko obya.
My name is Edwin Sifuna. I am the Senator of Nairobi, and I am standing here in my capacity as the Secretary General of the Orange Democratic Movement.
Kero umuraibense umuske Daktari William Ruto no muraibe kiama gia ODM Raila Odinga bakorete okubwatana igachie kiama gia UDN na wege kiama gia ODM okubwatana uko nigo kwarosetie serikali ikurukwa broad-based nigo igatia babwatani be kiama gia ODM na UDA mbale batago getugwe nigetambo kirekyo.
I don't like what I'm hearing, Mr. Speaker. What I'm starting to hear at those three levels is as if somebody wants to fix another person, somebody wants to fix a particular party and not the other one, somebody wants to fix a particular region at the expense of another one, and somebody even wants to fix a community.
Maybe for clarity's sake, the last discussion I had with the president of the country, the last political discussion, either a chat or a discussion, as it were, was before October of last year.
Magega yokubwatana ukukwenekigwa nigo ikiama gia ODM kienyorete amabaga yaba waziri abwe barogitwe experts barachigokonya serikali ya Kenya Kwanza eyukonyore yatware chinga kichinkongo kurwari rucho ryekegori kia Gen Z gekora okurobekana.
I, Hassan Ali Joho, being appointed the Cabinet Secretary of Kenya, do swear that I will at all times be faithful to the Republic of Kenya,
all other laws of the Republic.
Gati yaba waziri bachoretwe no muwaziri John Mbadi uyo choretwe no muwaziri w'ekibesa James Opiyo Wandayi, Ali Hassan Joho na boigo Wycliffe Oparanya gati yaba raibande benyoreta mabaga ase serikali ya Kenya Kwanza.
John Mbadi Ngongo to the Ministry of National Treasury and Economic Planning, the Honorable James Opiyo Wandayi, Ministry of Energy and Petroleum, the Honorable Hassan Ali Joho, Ministry of Mining, Blue Economy and Maritime Affairs, the Honorable Wycliffe Ambetsa Oparanya, Ministry of Cooperatives and Micro, Small and Medium Enterprise Development.
Babwatani abanene be kiama gia ODM mbari gwikira bono iga batere bwatani ne serikali ya broad-based gati yabo no murikyo munene bwe kiama gia ODM yukurukwa Edwin Sifuna uyukuru umuchakano utanjite inyomo ya gesiasa yumuraibense umusikia Daktari William Ruto na baigo umuraibe kiama gia ODM Raila Odinga.
Capacity as SG, I have certain constitutional duties, and that is why I'm standing here to execute those duties in accordance with the constitution of ODM. We have taken the liberty to read out this memorandum of understanding so that we are all clear on what it is and what it is not. We are all clear on what it is and what it is not. As SG, I want to confirm that this document has been processed through the relevant party organs.
Gati ya baraibande Babu Wino ubunge bw'ebunge ya Embakasi East gavana we county ya Kisiaya James Orengo Caleb Hamisi oyore umubunge bw'ebunge ya Saboti abo wekera bono iga chinkwana chabo njibwati wanchera libondo bwansi kuchia somuraibense nabaigo umuraibe kiama gia ODM Raila Odinga.
Really grown, and that they want to manage, they want to dwarf this popularity. They have approached Babu Owino on several occasions so that Babu can work with government, but Babu has refused and has said clearly that he wants to work for Kenyans, and that if the government was offering services to citizens, the services that were promised during the campaign periods, if they were working, if the cost of living was reduced, if taxes were reduced, if there were jobs for Kenyan citizens, if the health sector was working, if education sector was working, then Babu Owino would not have any business opposing the government. But why do we oppose the government? Why do we keep checks and balances on the government? It's because the government has not shown any effort to solve these issues of concern that I am raising.
That Ruto is a passing cloud. I am saying that without a fear of contradiction, because Ruto now has no money, because he's been borrowing, and the Kenyans have told him you cannot borrow. Ruto has said no taxation, but he said he is continuing to taxation, and he refused taxation through the finance bill, so he cannot tax Kenyans. Ruto has lost the confidence of the international community. So, where is Ruto going to take us? Ruto is taking us into a sinking ship. And I'm urging everybody that joining Ruto is a disaster, is an abomination. It cannot work.
Ikiama gia ODM gwikira bono iga nigo kere asinga kienkong nene mono kurwa asorogongurwa gusi kubatikana no gocha kwa Dr. Fred Matiang'i uyu riruchori yaye ryarokanire kubwata inse asorogongurwa gusi abarayi bachoretwe ne ikiama gia ODM asorogongurwa gusi unabono omoseneta bwe county ya Kisii Richard Onyonka omoseneta bwe county ya Nyamira Okongo Mugeni mubunge bwe bunge ya Kitutu Chache South Anthony Kibagendi mubunge bwe bunge ya Kitutu Masaba Clive Gesairo abwe barokanire kwerobiria kubwata Dr. Fred Matiang'i ase eganga yayo kulia ekikerogo kyobora bense
tukoro Nyamira tima idina tukoro Kisii ka mole tukoro Nyamira twalegere ilia magana ye obo president ochimotwa twadebere na 2027 totogere korera mabadiliko Kenya abange nabaita barasira bateguna bakanesha umwaka omugima abantu baita banachiruchi tax cyao singire bitotari korora bona kuri Nyamira tutwadebere mo motodoka yokura akoro ku Fred Okengo Korukisi kama kimawada Fred Okengo. That's why kwa kauli moja wa Kisii tunasema kwa Mheshimiwa William Ruto ni one. William Ruto ni one. Nyasaba sisi.
Omugusino moto wake Roma titiri. Morote Matiang'i nake Roma titiri. Na sisi kama jamii ya Omugusi tumejipanga na kijana yetu. Kijana yetu anaitwa Fred Okengo.
Tukaenda tukanyore timu yenye yachakire ya bwati chibese cyo gutobora bono no turari tugwakari zoezi etimu ikoro kumatiana tuende kumenyana na hii timu ya utapeli 2027 buno Mugusi ebara na yamo. You are either with us or against us. Enga kieli twari ko kwane kuroche. Bona twatebire kuroche twabungire epara ite kuwera sotiki. Eso erekero kagai. Dalibo. Etirimboke. Emila Kenya ni bali masaba na bogetutu. Eche ganya ni bali chache. Emila kema irande. Etreni yaito enteramana yamo. Fred Okengo Matiang'i.
I am representing a gentleman who's not here with us. And his name is Fred Matiang'i.
Gloria Uruba ni garengo moseneto mochore kurwa asekia makia UDA urinde akarusigwa kurwa asekia mekyo asengencho ararekanete kumubwate sia Fred Matiang'i omoseneta we county ya Kakamega Boni Halwale mubunge bwe bunge ya Kiharu Ndindi Nyoro Gathoni wa Mchomba oyoro mubunge kurwa asebunge ya Githunguri.
We are not going to allow anyone to play around with the issue of free basic education. Kenya has always afforded to fund free basic education. Kenya has always afforded to pay for examinations. Hii sarakasi haitaanza.
I see, for example, Mr. Speaker, some noise building around certain members of parliament, and not members of parliament, members of the cabinet, that probably X, Y, or Z might be removed so as to pave way for the new look broad-based government. I want to send an early warning. This will be wrong. Whoever is starting to raise issues.
Okuigwana kwa wangoiga wakurwa no moraibense na boigo Raila Odinga okukura chikonekia okuigwana oku kwa ene kigwe kwa mobekire omorikyo monene bwekia mweki Edwin Sifuna na bego n'abaraibande balia batari kubwatasia serikali ya broad-based.
Hata wewe kama una maneno ya kusema unaweza itwa huko useme mambo yako. enda pia wewe ujieleze. Hao watu akiwemo huyu baba Raila Amolo Odinga, siku ile wataniambia Sifuna, sasa wewe umeanza kuwa na maadili tofauti na chama, nitawaachilia hii kiti bila fujo.
Ninyarekane ikiama ODM kegendere gutwara chinguru kero kegendete konyora akwamiriria kurwa ase bali bachorete kurwa ase kiamekyo ikiameke nguru kichibwate kurwa asorogongo rwa Western ngegendere koba ikiama kibwate chinguru kurwa asorogongo rwa Gusii kero Fred Matiang'i arokanire gutwara chinguru kurwa asorogongo rwa Gusii.
Kama Sifuna ameongea, ako na haki ya kuongea. Mimi sijasema ati mimi usiongee kwa chama namna hii. Sema hata kama unaona baba anafanya makosa, sema. Hayawi, hayawi. Hayawi, hayawi. Hayawi, hayawi. Imekuwa sasa. Leo tumeweka sahihi kwa mkataba ya kuleta ulewano, ya kuleta amani, ya kupigana na maadui ya Wakenya wote.
Reporter ya Egetaseni Kiagetembe, Sam Miyenda.
Ya vijana wa Kenya, kina mama wa Kenya, watu wote wa Kenya tuweze kutembea pamoja, tuishi katika nchi yenye haina ubaguzi, tuishi kwenye nchi yenye iko na umoja, na tukabiliana changamoto za Kenya, tupige hatua ya kwenda mbele kwa pamoja. Ndio leo jameni, tunakuja mbele yenu kuuliza ruhusa yenu. Watu wa Nairobi, mumekubali tuungane, tushiriki.
Eduka y'obumo ya Uhuru Superstores Limited nero eduka echolide iri kubwatuka chirangi cha Crown Paints eyuere company nambe yemo eyokorose chirangi meyense yiga ya Kenya. Crown Paints nigo emanyira sokoro isya ebintu biria bikomanya seka ngo kwanira chirangi ekyo boigo chire chichi brand ao ekyo chire chingi ya kirage chirangi chiga nigo chire chibirengo ao punabono mbabwate chirangi cyo gwakwa imeye nyumba iziko ye nyumba chire chikomentera nibwa amavuta yani oil na buigo chiria chia mache inyoranga chirangi chiga nigo chire kurwase chire cheri guririke iriya gatigati bwekariguri iriya bantabati buigo imeya Uhuru Superstores nero eduka yuka iyo bwate emixer iyo gwochoganya chirangi wikabunuragani gwochoganire erangiga aseduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores na bwokwege namuna ekale aho watagete nigo kwayanyora bwikirano tutarire rero eriwe nyorere abamanyi naboigo enekenga enyumba yao use asomanyete use chire chibiasara nchibwa tokorelekana okuya na ayonsi nigo araikirane ekero utumikite chirangi cha Crown Paints eduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores yego toka se enyumba ya Uhuru Complex imeyumucho yigo musongo eyueranga neduka ya Safaricom mwigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers eyuere angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakire simbwetera ase chinamba chabo 0111161500. Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Ndagira njane gwansabuna iyero sirine Riziki Caterers. Riziki Caterers ngorobare obukoreri ubuya asichinse mubuna outside catering. Asimeyega buna chinyangi chionse, chi birthday, housewarming, chi anniversary, chi get together, amatanga, corporate events. Kokorabare nankwena nabare obukoreri asichinse muboyego buna decorations, chi tents, point ebirogo chimesa chikeke nabo igong kurwa baro bokoreri bwa public address system diubago tokambarabari ne skuru yuboroso ya jogo samange bakresi miase namba 0797119986 Riziki Caterers Ubwansu Windagera.
Kila nafsi na ita
Tarali ogo kwa Caleb gichana yiro mwano nyagusira gichana oigoro no mungina nyagusira Priscilla kwambuka osiri banyambare village Magombo Emiye County Nyamira. Yaro mwaka nyagusira Josephine Kimanga nigari ise nyagusira Catherine Mukwa Kevin Mwenga Advocate Masi Caleb na Job gichana. Gane mumuro mwabo Bilha Marina, Alice Musomi, Teresa Machuara, Esther Nyabuti, Walter Nyangao, Paul Otuoma, Alfred Ogeto, Nelson Onsongo, Bernard Gichana, Kennedy Gichana, Ongosi Gichana, Charles Onsongo, Peter Onsongo, Asnath Ombori, Folex Ombori, Nyagusira Suzanne Onguzo, Nyagusira David Obuaya, Nyagusira Mose, Nyagusira Nyarosa. Kava maraba mwabo Ngamona, Nora Matoke, Ana Nyakwama, Esther Moiruri, Helen Kibagendi na Nancy Nyaseti. Ngareba mwabo gichana Ondieki Obuaya, Ondieki, Rebecca Nyaera, Mameka